In day one, I shared why I started learning Java from zero and why I decided to document this journey. In day two, we understood what Java is and where it is used in our daily life, like apps, banks, and websites. If you are new here, please watch day one and day two first to avoid confusion.
Today, we're going to jump into a really fundamental question, especially for anyone starting with Java. How in the world does the code you type out actually talk to your computer? Let's dive right in. So let's kick things off with a simple idea. Imagine you have this amazing concept, right? If you're going to explain it, you wouldn't use the same words for a 5-year-old as you would for a rocket scientist, would you? Of course not. The idea itself doesn't change, but how you say it, well, that has to change. And believe it or not, that's the exact same puzzle we're trying to solve in programming.
And that right there, that brings us to the big problem. You can sit down and write the most beautiful, most powerful piece of Java code ever, but your computer, at its very core, it doesn't have a clue what you're talking about. It's like they speak completely different languages. It's a total language barrier.
This really shows you the disconnect, doesn't it? Over on one side, you've got Java code, something we can actually read and write. But on the other side, that's machine language. We're talking about the raw ones and zeros that the computer's brain, its processor, actually gets. They're just worlds apart. So the big question is, how do we build a bridge between these two?
Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds kind of complicated, but don't worry. I absolutely love this line from our source material. No fear, no complex terms. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to walk through it step by step, and it'll all click into place. Promise.
So, what's the solution? It's actually pretty simple. We need a translator. In the coding world, a translator is just a program. Its one and only job is to take code written in a language like Java and turn it into something else, something the computer can actually understand. Think of it as our personal, super fast interpreter.
Okay, so what is this magical translator that Java uses? It's got a name, and honestly, it's one of the most important things you'll learn about Java. It's called the JVM. That stands for Java Virtual Machine. And seriously, this thing is the heart and soul of the entire Java ecosystem.
And here's how it all works, in 3 easy steps. Step 1. You, the brilliant programmer, write your code in Java. Step 2. The JVM jumps in and does its thing. It translates your code. And then step 3, the computer gets those translated instructions and knows exactly what to do. That's it. It really is that simple. You write, the JVM translates, the computer runs.
All right, so we get how it works now, right? But why? Why does Java do it this way, with this special translator thing? What's the big deal? Well, this is where we get to the really cool part. This is where Java's superpower is revealed.
And here it is. This is the big payoff. The reason for all of this is so that Java can run on pretty much any device. This is the whole idea behind Java's famous motto, write once, run anywhere. And back when this came out, this was a massive, game-changing idea.
I mean, just think about this for a second. You write your program one time, just once. And because there's a special JVM built for Windows, and another one for a Mac, and another one for a big web server, or even your Android phone, that one single program you wrote can run on all of them. No changes needed. You don't have to worry about the differences between a Mac and a PC. The JVM takes care of all that translation work for you. How cool is that?
So if there's one thing to remember from all this, it's that the JVM is Java's secret sauce. It's like having a universal translator that lets your code speak fluently to any computer out there. That little bit of magic is what gives Java its incredible power and reach.
So now you know the how and the why. The translator, the JVM, is sitting there ready to go. It's just waiting for instructions. Which brings us to the most important question of all. Are you ready to write something for it to translate?